This is my Castle Crush contest, and here is my setup. My birds are down here, and I'm gonna be bouncing them off the walls, up the stairs, and I'm gonna bounce it off the back wall there. Oops, I got him. Let me try. I'm gonna throw it off the wall here. Oh, I got that helmet pig. Oh, bluebird. Do big red off the wall. Oh, hit the pillow. Yellow bird. Time for Big Bro. Oh, and as you can see, the structure was taken away by Big Bro. That's my Castle Crusher. Bye.